media, which is Namecheap, or you can directly go straight to what you want to do. So like media and ministry, now we have mediainministry.com, which has already been taken, and it's already put for sale at 40,000 US dollar, 40,445 US dollar. Mediainministry.org is not taken, is $8.9. So you put it on cards. So let's try .org and see.
Yeah, Dixon, please take off your video. Use audio. Take off your video, please.
All right. All right. Thank you. All right. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can.
Can I get a response from you on that? Okay, very good.
Yes, you can see.
Thank you. Okay. So we are trying to purchase media and ministry. Total price is $9.16. You click on checkout. So it's still loading. So you confirm your order. So you need to log in. If you've not created an account with them before, you need to sign up. If you've created an account with them before, you just need to log in. So I already have an account with Namecheap. So I will log in. So you can see here, they'll send me an OTP to confirm if I'm really the one trying to log in. So I'm waiting for my OTP right now to log into my Namecheap. Waiting for my verification code. It's going to be sent to me via SMS. Okay. This setting is optional. I did it just for security reasons. This OTP, yeah, the OTP is there. I'll copy it. Submit security code. Hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a response from you, please?
Yes, we are following.
We are following.
Thank you. Now this is where you enter your card details. I already have an account with them. I suggest I use this. So you confirm your payment, you continue. This amount will be deducted from your account. It will be converted to Naira, depending on the country the currency you are using, and it will be deducted from your account. Then after that, you receive a message that your purchase of a domain name mediainministry.org has been completed. So after now, I've already entered my card details. So the next thing now is to process the payment. So when I click on this continue, I'll be asked to verify the payment. Then my purchase of mediainministry.org will be complete. So right now you've gotten your domain name. You've gotten your domain name. Now let's talk about the hosting now. Namecheap also provide hosting plan. So let's go through their hosting plan. Now you can decide to buy the name from Namecheap, then you get host from another web provider. It all depends on what you are looking for. So let's get to their hosting plan. Now we have Online Beginner as number one hosting plan. Let's see the features they have for this package, this hosting package. Domain name. Remember I said domain name doesn't have any particular hosting. You just get the name. They will tell you the price for that particular name you want to use for your website. Then you buy it. So the first one is Online Beginner. Start small and spend less. So what are the features for this? So click this one. You are going to pay $2.8 per month. If you add it up together a year, it's roughly about $30-something. That's for a year. Now, number two, those are the features. Now let's see the features for this one. You can host up to 3 websites with this one. So now, just like a house, as I said on our previous class, a domain name is like a door. A house can have more than one door. Okay, I just want to use this simple analogy so that you understand it better. Now, a website can have more than one domain name. Like this particular plan, you can host up to 3 websites on it, and you can also have up to 3 domain names linking to that website, just as a particular house can have more than one door leading to the house, to the building. So that's what you consider this to be like. So let's check other plan and see their features. Remember I said hosting has different plan depending on the web service provider. Hosting have different plan depending on the host service provider. And number 2, we have small business. This one, the price increase, and the idea for this is solopreneur and e-commerce. You can use this for, if you are building an e-commerce store, this web service provider recommend you use small businesses, the small businesses plan. Then they also have another plan, large business plan, and I think that's the last. They have 3 plans for depending on what you want. So if you are starting new, they recommend you use this Online Beginner. If you want to create an online store, they recommend you use this small business. And these all have its own different capacity. It has its own different capacity. So let's go to WordPress. WordPress have their plan well organized, and it gives you details to what you get depending on the plans you are going for. So let's go to WordPress. WordPress.com. WordPress.com is loading. To increase the speed of my browser, I'm going to switch on a VPN to increase the speed because it's really getting slow. What VPN does, it increases the speed of your browser, and that's what it does. And sometimes it gives you selection to different server from different country. So United States is always very strong. So I'm going to be using that server.
Hello, please. I can't hear anything. Am I the only one?
Yeah, we are not hearing actually. I don't know why.
Yeah, I can't hear as well.
Yeah, I was about to say that. I thought I was the only one.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be network issue from his end. So
Yeah.
let's just be patient. Yeah. And Dixon has muted himself and he does not even know. Dixon has muted himself and he does not even know. Dixon. I think Dixon is disconnected. Let's wait for Dixon to join again. He's disconnected. Let's be patient for Dixon to join. I think currently where he is, they have serious network challenge. So let's just be patient until he comes back, please.
Hello?
Yeah, Dixon, we can hear you. We lost you.
Okay. Thank you. All right.
Okay.
Let's go back to WordPress. I'm sharing my screen again. Let's go back to WordPress.
Yeah, please do so.
All right. So right now we are in WordPress, and the first one we see WordPress starter, and the cost is $5 per month. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes,
I want to go. Yeah, very good.
Right.
Please, I will want your response so that when I lost you, I will know how to reconnect back. Please, I really want to get response from you. So right now you can see WordPress starter, $5 per month, build yearly. So this particular plan, how much will it cost per year? Can we do the calculation? 5 multiplied by 12. Someone should quickly do that and give us the answer.
That's 60.
60.
That's what? I
$60.
think that's good. Thank you. Now, according to this plan, what are the future? Unlimited traffic included. Now, this particular plans will give you unlimited traffic. Now, whenever you get high traffic, you are not going to feel the effect of high traffic on this particular plan. Now, it managed hosting included. Dozen of free theme included. Custom domain name is free for 1 year. We also have collect payment is included. 6 gig of storage. So whenever you're uploading information files on this website, you can upload up to 6 gig file, either be video, audio. Okay, so those are the features of this plan. Now, Google Analytical integration. We have WordPress plugin are not included. Premium support is not included. Premium theme are not included. So those are the things that are not included in this WordPress starter plan. Now let's move to WordPress Pro. WordPress Pro, the price is $15 per month. So multiply that $15 by 12. So what's your answer there? $15 by 12. Can someone give me a response? That's what?
180.
I didn't get you. That's good.
180.
You're going to pay $180 for this particular WordPress Pro plan. So, and what are the features of this plan? You have unlimited traffic, managed hosting included, and those things are also included in the starter. But there are other features here that are not included. Unlimited WordPress plugin, premium support are included, and who e-commerce is included. Built-in social media tools are included. Professional email is free for 3 months. Remove ad is included. Advanced SEO tools are included. Now, these particular plans will help you optimize your website for search engine. So you don't need to do it manually. It's going to give you recommend strategies to do to get ranked for a particular word. So we also have upload video is included, unlimited website administrator. So this type of plan, you can have multiple and web admin on it. You can have multiple web admin on this particular type of website. So it has unlimited web administrator. We have earn money from ads is included, and so many other features that is included in this particular plan. So if you are going with WordPress Pro, what you do is you click on this plan, then you make your payment. Now, the good thing about WordPress is that it makes it easy for non-programmer to be able to create amazing website with amazing features. So they made it very, very easy. That's why WordPress is one of the most popular web service provider in the world. According to data, there are over 68% of websites are being built on WordPress. Over 68% of websites are being built on WordPress. It makes it very simple for non-programmer. And if you want to create your own website from scratch too, you can also use WordPress. So it make it easy for non-programmer, and programmer also use it because you can design whatsoever you want by yourself. So just as we said earlier, this plan is going to cost $180 per year. That's the cost for it. So when you make your payments, you are on this plan. So you can choose your domain name. From here, you can add up your domain name. So with this, you are buying both your domain name and your hosting together. You're buying both your domain name and your hosting together. And that, you can see the sum total is 180. So that's just a preview on how to get your domain name and domain host from WordPress. Now, we are going to move to Blogspot. Now, Blogspot, as I said earlier, is a hosting service provided by Google. It's a host service provided by Google, and it is free. Now, the difference between these is that whenever you host your website on Blogspot, it comes with blogspot.com. For instance, if it is media in ministry, you will have mediainministry.blogspot.com. Now, can you hear me? Can I get a response from you, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Thank you. If you can hear me. Now, so we are going to, let me explain Blogspot before we jump in there, because we are going to be doing a lot of practical there. We're going to be doing a lot of practical there. So, all right, let's head on straight to WordPress, Blogspot rather. Blogspot.com. If you are with me, blogspot.com. Blogspot.com or bloggers.com. Blogger.com. So can I see your screen so that we can move together, so we can do this together? Can you share your screen with me so we can move together? If you've not created, not signed up with, if you've not signed up with Bloggers, can you quickly do that now? Because I really want to do something here. We're going to do a very straightforward practical here. So just quickly sign up. Blogger.com, blogger.com, blogger.com. Quickly do that now. Are you with me?
Yeah, we are with you, but please, I'm using a different phone because I want to be following the screen stuff.
Okay, that's good. All right, so let's head on straight.
But please, I'm encountering a problem here. It's just saying that European Union law requires to give. I'm having a challenge here.
Just ignore that. Move straight to sign up. if you have a Google account, you automatically sign up with Google. Not you don't need to add your name or start from the beginning again. Just go straight to it.
Okay, it has logged me in inside then. But
All right, that's good.
settings. I can only see settings are reading list.
I'm logged into.
Okay, if you enter blogspot.com, what you check somewhere you see sign up, then you click there, you sign up with your
Okay.
Google account. Do you have any problem with that? Can I get a response from you? If you encounter any problem, just let me know.
So I'm trying to generate URL for my blogspot.
Yes, we are going to get there. You're going to get there. That's the name you want to use for it. So, how many of you are there already?
So it's like, sorry, hello, sir.
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, it's like I've created something like I've created a blog from there, so it's like I'm there automatically.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So let's move ahead now. Let's move ahead now. So we're creating new. The title? That's media and ministry. Now, remember the domain name we talked about, the domain name we did on Namecheap, right? I'm going to tell you where we need that domain name, because something with Blogspot or bloggers.com, it always comes with bloggers.com, blogspot.com. But with with advanced DNS setting, you'll be able to add .com or any domain name to your Blogspot. So whenever they come to your site, they don't need to see blogspot.com again. Just like the free version of WordPress, use wordpress.com. So with this,
I think I'm not getting you again. I'm not hearing you again, sir.
Okay. Now, can you hear me now? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay.
I think
All right, thank you.
I think the fault is from his part, so you can go on.
All right. So we are typing media and ministry. We'll still come to where we need that domain name we did on Namecheap. So with this setting, you're able to get a free hosting that has unlimited traffic. Then you connect it with the domain name you want. Instead of this blogspot.com, you're able to remove it, this blogspot.com, and it will look as amazing as any website. So before we move further, let me show you a good example of the website I built using this strategy. So let's go to vdsnetworks.us. A good example of a website I built using this strategy before I move ahead to this strategy. So this is vdsnetworks.us. The site is loading right now. Can you see the screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's good. So now this is a website I built using this strategy. If you look at it carefully, there's nothing like blogspot.com. It's vdsnetworks.us. vdsnetworks.us. So this is the website I built using this strategy, connecting WordPress unlimited traffic host to another to a domain name. So you can see the website, digital solution for everyone. Welcome to the future powered by digital technology. App design, web development, brand promotion. So this is a good website I built here using this strategy. So that's that. So this website is hosted on Blogspot, which is owned by Google. Then I bought domain name from Namecheap. I bring them together to develop this website. And the good thing about this is that there is no limited amount of traffic this website can accommodate. That's a good thing about it. So let's move back to blogspot.com now. Bloggers.com. So let's move back to bloggers.com. If you're already there, so that we'll continue with our discussion. So we'll be using media and ministry, as I said earlier. All right, now you can start typing the domain name you want to use now. You can start typing the name if it's your church or your media, this thing, you type the name at that first URL. Remember that URL, we are not going to use it. We are going to buy our own domain name and add it to it. We're going to buy our own domain name and add it to it. So I'm writing media and ministry. Now, media in ministry, that's going to be the title of this website, media in ministry. So next, so which URL I'm going to use mediainministry.blogspot.com. Media in ministry. Media in ministry is taking. Okay, that's good. Now this is available. So the default URL is mediainministry.blogspot.com. But remember, we are going to buy mediainministry.org so we can link it together at our domain name. So let's move ahead. We're going to save this. So created media in ministry. So the next thing now is your theme. Now, Blogspot is very easy to use. You can see posts here if you want to post on the website. You can see statistics to see the number of people that view the website. You can see comments, the comments you get from your post. You can see earning. You can sign up for Google AdSense, and Google will pay you based on the number of pay per click. Most time is always pay per click. Number of people that click on the adverts they display on your website. You can see page, you can see layout. So the next thing, let's first of all view the first website you created, mediainministry.blogspot.com. Now this is how it looks now. There's nothing on the website right now. This is a default theme for it. This is a default theme. How many of you can see the screen?
Yes,
Can you see? Very good, very good. Very good. Now, very good. Now, some of the things we do here is that most of the times the Blogspot theme or template, it is not advanced. So the best thing we do is we get a template or a theme from another programmer. It has been designed by someone, or you design it by yourself. If you are a programmer, then you add that theme instead of using the Blogspot default theme. Did you get that? So if you click on the theme here, they have some free theme that you can select, but we are not going to use this. We are going to use an advanced theme that looks more professional. So that's what we are going to use. Okay. So right now, what we are going to do here now is to click on customize. Sorry, let's go back. You click on this down arrow here. Now, there are two things you are going to do. Either you edit your HTML. If you click on edit your HTML, you are going to see a lot of programming language that might confuse you. You see so many things that's very confusing here if you don't understand programming. But whatever you edit here will reflect on how the website will look. But because you don't know much about programming, and we are not talking about programming right now, we are doing a website without programming, we are not going to do anything with this code. So what we'll do is I will move straight to a theme that has already been programmed. So that's what we are going to use. So click on this down arrow, you see restore. You click on restore instead of edit HTML or backup. You are not doing backup, you are not editing HTML, you are not switching to first generation classic theme. What you are doing is restore. You are doing restore. Now when you click on restore, it will give you an option. You can upload a theme from a file on your computer. We are using phone, it's not computer. So you can upload a theme from a file on your phone. So we'll click on upload. We click on upload. Now you remember how the website looked the first time we created it, that media in minutes, how it looks, right? So we are going to see the difference now. We're going to see the difference now. I'm going to upload a theme that's already been designed, by a programmer. So that's what I'm going to upload. So I have some few themes here. I have top news. This one is particularly for a news website. We have Sarah study. You can see those zip file. You can see them. You can see those zip file. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to unzip those files before it can be uploaded. I'm going to unzip it and use the section that is the file that is titled XML. XML. That is the file I'm going to use. So the template theme for blogspot.com and mostly and other website. cPanel also use XML. cPanel also use MLL. So if I unzip that file now, that theme now, I will see a particular file that is titled XLM. So that is a file I'm going to upload. It contains the theme I want to use for this website. So quickly, you download file on Zipper. File on zip. So you go to Play Store, you download file on zip, because most time you send the file in, you compact the file, you zip the file so that everything will be on one folder. So you download unzip. There are so many unzip file app or unzip file. Any of these things perform the same function. So this AZip Master, we download AZip Master. So with that AZip Master, we're able to unzip that theme. We'll unzip that in. I'm going to share that theme with you if you want to create, depending on the type of website you want to create. So after this class, you'll tell me the type of website you want to create. I'll send you this theme depending on the type of website. I have so many themes depending on the type of website. I have theme for e-commerce store. If you want to design an e-commerce store, if you want to start a bookstore, an online bookstore, I have theme for that. If you want to start a news website, it can be a gospel blog website, I have theme for that. I'm going to share it with you. So first thing, we need to unzip it before we're able to use the file. So my A on Zipper Master is loading, is 91% now. Hope you can still hear me. I want us to follow along. Hope you can still hear me. I want to get response from you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
yes,
good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right. So my AZip Master is installing.
Yes, sir, we are following.
Okay, that's good.
This is this one.
So we are
All right. Thank you. So if this app is completely installed, we are going to use it to unzip the file. We are going to use it to unzip the file, the theme. We are going to use it to unzip it. Then we'll be able to install it to our Blogspot. Very good. Installing. It's taking a bit. And let's go back to what we are doing. If it's install, I'm going to get notification, then we're able to use it to. Okay. It's already scanning. Very good. So we open it. I'm opening the AZip now. The reason why I'm using this app is to unzip my team. It puts together to avoid the file being scattered. So it's zipped together. So I'm using a Zip Master to do that. This app is free. You can get it on Play Store or Apple Store. It may not be a Zip Master. You can use any of them. It may not be a Zip Master. So I'm going to use which of these team I'm going to use. Like we have two zips files here. We have Sora Cats. This one is for e-commerce store. We have Top News. This one is for website. We have Sora Study. This one is for school. It's for school. So let me use an Sora Study. Let me unzip Sora Study. So it's currently doing that now. Okay. Okay. I've succeeded in extracting this file, and now if you look down towards the last file there, you see Sora Study XML. Remember I said we are going to use XML. That's what we are going to use, the XML file. You see the second to the last folder there, you see Sora Study.xml. That's what we are going to use. Okay, so let's go back to Blogspot right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to restore. When we click on restore, it will take us there. Then we'll click on this file. Hope you are still following.
Yeah, we are following.
Can I get one from you? That's good. So right now we are at bloggers now, bloggers.com. We are at bloggers.com right now. Hope you can see the screen. We are going to do it practical right now. And you click on the down arrow. You click on restore. Upload file. Okay, you're going to check the file. Recent. Let's check for this folder. We have AirZipper here. It should be under AirZipper. We have extract file, Sora Study. So remember I said we are going to be using this one, Sora. Okay. Look at it, the second to the last file here, Sora Study.xml. the class of the file is XML. So we're going to click on that. So restoring theme. Theme restore. So let's go back to media and ministry now to see how it looks now. Now this is media and ministry now. This is how it looks now. Now you can see this Sarah studied here. You need a knowledge of graphic design to be able to design the logo of what you want to use it for. To be able to design the logo by yourself. So that's what you're going to do. So to make the website look more how it ought to look, you need to have a post on it. You need to have a post on it to make it look as it ought to look. So you create a post. So So what we did here is to upload a theme. We uploaded a theme to media and ministry, and the name of the theme is Sarah Study, which is very compatible for any study website. If you are doing an online school or an online tutorial, I recommend you use such theme. So that's what we did. So, but it's not going to look so cool. Why? Because there is no post on the website. So let me try something out here. Instead of creating new posts, I have VDS Network here. So I'm going to use the Sarah thing for VDS Network. So you see how it looks, okay? Because I already have post on VDS Network. Are you following me? Are we together? Very good, very good. So now, let's see how VDS Network look before we upload the file. So this is how it looks. We've seen it before. So I'm going to upload that theme that has already been designed to this VDS network. When I upload it, you'll see that everything will change to Sarah Sorolen. Okay.
Ojo, please, I want you
So
to off
this is
your
how it
microphone,
looks.
please.
So this is how it looks
Mute
now.
yourself, Ojo.
So we are going to upload that theme that's already been designed. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm muting it now, please.
All right, that's good. That's good. So everyone can hear me clearly. So this is a outlook, the theme. So we are going to change it using the theme I extracted using AZip Master. Okay. Remember that theme has already been designed. What you need to do is to follow this step to upload it, and everything will look good. So you click on your menu here. You go to theme. That's the step. You go to theme. Then you click on this down arrow. Then you see, first of all, let me back up this theme because after this class, I have to restore back the theme. So I'm doing this just for the purpose of learning. So save it as VDS network. Okay, I'm backing it up in case after this class I'm going to restore it back. So for the purpose of learning, I'll be doing this. Restore. Click on upload. Download. Hope you are still following. Any questions so far, please, as we move along. I want all of us to be together. Let's follow the step. All right. So we are using sorastudy.xml. That's the file for it. There's a network distraction here. It's still loading. Okay. So I'm going to start the process again. I'm starting the process again. Click on this down arrow after customize. You click on restore, upload.
Hello, please. I can't hear anything. See from my hand alone.
I think we lost Dixon again. I think we lost him. So let's be patient until he reconnects back again, please.
Thank you.
Olufemi, please, you can mute yourself. Mute yourself, please. Ojo, please, you can mute yourself. Ojo, mute yourself, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Dixon.
Welcome
Yes,
back,
Dixon.
sir.
Welcome back, please. Yeah, hello, Dixon. Hello, Dixon. Dixon, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. You can take on, please.
All right. Sorry. Where did we lose the connection?
You were trying to bring up your thing.
Upload
Okay,
the
the
Zora
team, right?
SM.
Yeah.
Okay. You are going to use, right? All right. So let's go back there now. Let's go back there. So I uploaded the file, and let's check out how Hello. Can I get your response, please?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Thank you. Let's go back to where we stopped. You can see my screen, right? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or can I get
Cannot
response
see.
from another person?
No, sir. We cannot see your screen.
All right, all
Not
right.
yet.
I'm sharing it now. Thank you. Very good. Hope you can see it now.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right. Who can remind us the theme we are using for these videos? We are changing the VDS theme to another one entirely. And this theme gives the website the art looks. So the theme is just like the art book of the website. Whenever you change the theme of a website, you change how the website looks. So now the videos we all know that we went through to review now, this is how it looks now. This is how it looks now. This is how videos look now. So with this theme, you don't have to start designing your website from scratch, coding from scratch. With the theme, you have everything, the work that has been done by another programmer. And with this, you can customize it to your taste. Like from the first thing now, you need a graphic design knowledge to be able to create your logo. Change this logo. Hello? Can you hear me on this? Now I'm using this network is bad on this part. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, very good, very good.
We can hear you.
All right, thank you. Sorry, I have a glitch here. Okay. So you can hear me on this particular device now, okay? So I'll be using this device for my audio, then I'll be using this for the screen share. Hope that is okay with you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Let's go back to what we're doing. It's loading right now. So as you can see, this is a theme for this Sarah Lane. So what we are going to do here now is, depending on the website you are creating and for the business you are creating it for, the first thing here is the logo. So you have to design your own logo. With the knowledge of graphic design, you're able to design your own logo, which by God's grace we'll be doing on Media and Ministry. Then now you can customize all these to your taste, depending on the features you want on the website. So all these are customizable. Now everything here, you can change it to what you want to do. The address, everything here, you can just change it. So let's move ahead to how you can change those features to customize it to your taste. Now you know how to upload a theme on your website now, right? Do you have any question on that? Can I get question please on that?
Sir, please
If you are still
quiet
confused,
again.
please. Okay, I'm going to start the same process again so that you'll be able to follow me. Okay, so let's go back to blogspot.com. So I said you go back to blogspot.com, bloggers.com, as the case may be. So we should be using media and ministry because we've not made any post on media and ministry. You will not be able to see how the website will look. That's why we are using VDS network. Okay, we are using VDS network. So to make you understand better, I'm going to choose another Blogspot account so you get it better. So I'll use Omoha's blog to explain it again so you'll be able to get me. So very good. Let's look at this blog to see how it looks. Then we'll make our changes to see the difference. This is how it looks. This is a news site. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to change the theme for this website. Very good. I'm repeating the same process again so you'll be able to get me. So are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. So you click on theme. On that theme, you see customize. Then you see an arrow pointing down. What you do here, you click on restore. When you click on restore, you see a display message restore. You can upload a theme from a file on your computer. Cancel, upload. So you click on upload. You choose action. So we are using sarahstudy.xml. Now, at times it may not be Sarah Studies, but what you need to focus on is the name of the file, the name of the document. The document must be XML. Now, there are different names of document. We have PDF, we have an PNG, which is for image. PDF is for document files like books or ebooks. We have other file like BIN. We have other file like TXT. But the particular file we are using for domain theme is XML. XML. So when you unzip or extract your file, what you will focus on is the XML file. XML file. That's what you will focus on, okay? Very good. So we click on the XML file. So it's restoring right now. It's uploading right now. So wait for a bit. Are you with me? So let's go back to see. Okay, very good. Restoring theme is still loading. And the downside you'll see it here. Okay, restored theme. So let's go back right now to see how it looks. Remember, we did this on Omoha's blog. So we are viewing it right now to see. So you can see the outlook right now. So now from this side, I'm going to show you how to edit to remove this space to be able to have all the features on the website arranged appropriately. So that's the next step we are going to do now. So far so good. Did you get this process now? Can I get your response on that?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Very good, very good. So let's see how we can customize this now to become our website. I'm not going to be doing the part of the graphic design. We are going to discuss that on our next, maybe in of our class. It may not be the next, it may be some of us, maybe next week, or depending on how we're able to make conclusion on that. So you are going to change this logo. You change if you want the department, the college and facility to remain there, you can leave it. You want the resident to remain there, the power backup and those things to remain there, you can leave it. Or it's the main thing is to customize it to what you want. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. So you are heading straight to the layout. Let's go back again. After the menu, you see new post, statistic, comments, earning. Now let me explain it over again. Post is when you want to make post on the website. Statistics gives you information about the number of people that visited the website, their location, the device they use, and the browser they use. So statistics will give you all those information. Comments, you all know that comments, anybody that comments on a particular post you make on the website, you get this. On the side. Earnings. Now, earnings gives you the ability to earn from. If you go to the website, you will see different ads showing on it. Now, if you click on this ad, the owner of the website will get paid per click. So that's how people earn from creating website. So you get that one now. So page. You can create page. For instance, if it is a news website, you can create business, and you can politics, page for politics, page for international news. It all depends. And if it is a ministry website, you can create page for different departments of the church. Maybe a music ministry, you can create page for ushering. It all depends on the department. It's just to put your website into segment for easy accessibility. Layout. This layout, that is where you can make adjustments on the website by changing the logo. You change other things through this layout. So let's go to layout by clicking on layout. So when you click on layout, this is what you see. Post per page. Now, whenever someone gets to the website, how many posts you want the person to see? That's where you do it here. Author description. Whenever you can have multiple author on this website, different admin. So from this side, you edit how the description of the admin. Author social link. You can put the link to Facebook, your Facebook link, your YouTube link, your Instagram link, your social media link. This is where you get it in. Top menu. From this place, you edit your top menu on your website. Blog header. This side, you're able to edit the header, to change the header depending on how you want it to look. Now here you can also change social media icon. So there are so many things here. So I would want you, after the class, take your time, go through it so that you're able to, just play along with those things, and before you know, you're able to create something amazing. So main menu, we have main menu, you have social media links. So let's move ahead. So let's do something about the blog heading. Now the blog heading, that's where it contains the logo. You can see the screen now, right? Can you see it?
Yes, sir. I can see the screen.
Very good, very good, very good. So you can see the Sora logo. So if you change any logo you use here, will becomes a logo to your website. It means you've changed this logo from Sora Study to whatever you want to use. Maybe media and ministry. Okay, maybe media and ministry, depending on what you want to use. So you click on an impute image URL. I recommend you click on upload image from computer. So at this place, you're able to create your logo from Canva or any of these app, or someone creates the website logo for you. You're able to upload it from this if you choose on upload image from computer. But if you choose on impute image URL, this means the image or this logo has been uploaded on a particular. Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
The line is breaking, sir.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now, right? Thank you. All right, so let's move ahead. So if you create an impute image URL, that means your logo has been uploaded on a particular website. You just go copy the address, then you paste it. But we are going to be using upload image from your computer, upload image from computer. So when you click on this upload image from computer, you're able to use a logo that you've designed, and it is, if the image is in your phone, someone designed it for you and send it to you, you're able to use that image if you click on upload image from computer. So you choose your file. So you're going to choose any file at all. For the purpose of learning, let's use this logo. I have this logo here. Let's see how it goes. Let's use this logo. All right. The logo is loading. Let's wait. So this is the logo. Now you can see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can I get a response from me if you can see it?
We
Is
can
my
see your
screen still sharing?
Yes.
I'm not seeing the screen.
You can't see it again, right?
Can't see the logo.
All right. Let me. All right. Can you see it now? You can see it now, right?
Yes, sir, we can see. Yes, sir.
All right. Back to what we're doing. We're trying to change the logo of the website, customize it to our taste. That's what we are trying to do right now. And remember, to do that, you go to your menu. The under menu, you click on layout. Under menu, you click on what?
Hello,
Layout.
hello, Dixon. Excuse me, please. Ojo,
Yes, sir.
please mute your mic. Ojo, mute your mic. Ojo, mute your mic, please. Your prayer is disturbing us in the class.
All right. Thank you. Can we ride on?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Thank you. So we are working on the blog header, right? That's where the logo is. The website logo is. So that's the first thing we are changing. So you click on edit. So this is Sora Study. So before you do this, ensure you create your own logo, the logo you want to use for the website. Either it's your business, you need to use your business logo. Okay? As I said earlier, we are going to click on upload image from computer. Upload image from computer. So you choose file. When you click on choose file, it will take you to your phone file. You have so many things there. I'm going to use this particular image. So the image is uploading. Let's wait. So you can see the image. So if I save, this image becomes the logo of the website. If I save this image becomes the logo of the what? The website. So let's save. Now look at the downside here. Towards the ending of my phone, the downside, you see a sign like multiplication. You see an I sign, and you see something like a file. So when you click here, you save all the changes you've done. Sorry for that. All right. So let's go back to our website to see the changes we've made. You can see this is the logo on our website now. Instead of Sarah Len, this is the logo right now. So we've succeeded in changing the logo. Just as I said, to do any changes on this website, you need to do it on layout. If you go to your menu, you click on layout. Look at layout here. You click on what? Layout. Very good. So we've done number one changes on the website. And there are so many changes you can do here. So let's see on blog post. You can change the number of blog posts. You can see when someone visits the website, the number of blog posts. Now this advertisement, you can place ad on the website. It can be an affiliate link. When someone gets to the website, they'll be able to click on the link and you get commission from the sales you make from the website. So to customize your domain, your website to your taste using bloggers, after uploading your theme from the first step we did, the next thing you go to Outlook. Layout rather. The first thing we did was theme. Then after we click on theme, we uploaded the Sora study. Then we moved to layout. Then we changed the logo. And there are so many other things you can change from the layout. For the sake of time, I talked about changing your website from blogspot.com, converting it to the domain name of your choice. That is the next thing we are going to do right now. Let's go back to the website to see. Now, like this website is omoadixon.blogspot.com. So you purchase a domain name of your choice, either from Namecheap. The same thing we did at the first step. We went to Namecheap. We click to see if the domain name is available. You buy it. Then after that, you link that domain name to this hosting, to Blogspot hosting or Blogger hosting. Now, instead of whenever anyone visit the website, instead of this blogspot.com, you won't be able to see this blogspot.com again. What you will see is the domain name you bought from any of the domain service provider. So let's see how we're able to do this. Now, this step is a little bit tricky. You may not be able to get it at the spot, but if you have any question to ask, I'll try my possible best to attend to your questions. So let's move ahead. At this point, we are going to click on setting. You already know what post means. You already know what stats mean. You know what comment means. You know what any means. You know what page means. You know what you can do on layout. You know what you can do on theme. And now we are working on settings. Are you still with me? So let me get a response from you before we move ahead. Can I get a response?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Any question before I move further to the next thing? The next thing now is advanced DNS setting. Advanced DNS. What's the meaning of DNS? DNS is domain name system. DNS. Domain name system. Any questions so far, please? I want us to follow. I want you to follow me step by step so that we're able to achieve what we are aiming for. If you don't have questions, just tell me.
No question for now, sir.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Please, if you are confused, let me know. We'll go back, then we'll start. I'll go back, we'll start the process again. I just want you to get the knowledge I'm trying to pass. All right, now let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Okay. Sorry for that. So what we are trying to do now is to link our hosting with our domain name. To link our hosting to our domain name, we are using bloggers hosting. Then we'll connect it to our domain name we bought from Namecheap. That is what we are going to do now. And to do that, I said you are going to click on setting. You are going to click on what? Setting. So this is setting. Now, if you click on setting, you see custom domain. How many of you can see that? Now, setting, you have basic, we have title, we have description, we have blog language, which is English, we have adult content, is not adult content, you have Google Analytics, It's already on. We have favicon. I'm going to explain favicon. Now. Let me talk a bit about favicon before we move ahead. Now, favicons, it's like an outside logo to your website. I'm going to explain that in details. Like an outside logo to your website. This is what I mean by an outside logo. Now, if you look at Namecheap, look at my screen right now. You see Blogspot, right? You see a sign of B, right? Can you see that? Very
Yeah.
good. You can see Mobile NG, there is no logo there. You can see NFT Academy, you see a logo sign there. You see something on pink, and the last one is Namecheap. That's a logo. Now, favicon is a very tiny logo you put on your website that display on. When you come to the website, you will not see it, but if you are outside the website, you'll be able to see this logo. That is a favicon. Did you get that now? This one is different from the logo you will see when you come to the website. This logo, you will see it when you are not yet in the website. This logo shows when you search for the website on Google. That's the logo they normally show. Okay? Did you get that now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that is favicon. So favicon, the default favicon for any Blogspot website is this B. But you can change it to anything you want to change it to. You can change it. Like this one, I've already changed it. This is what I changed it to. So you can change it to your logo, your business logo. But the default logo is this. What you can see on the screen now is a default logo. That's the default logo. So you can change it through the favicon. You click on favicon, you're able to change it to the logo of your business or your church. So you understand this now. So let's move to the main thing we'll be talking about now. Trying to connect our domain name to our hosting. Okay? Try to connect our domain name to our hosting. So you can see publishing. Under publishing, you see blog address. Then the next thing you see there is custom domain. Can you see that? So you click on custom domain. You click on custom domain. This is where you add the domain name you purchase from Namecheap or any of these web service provider. This is where you add your domain name, the domain name you purchase. Remember, the first thing we did is that we tried to purchase the domain name title mediainministry.org. .com has already been purchased, and they put a price tag of $14 and a few hundred. Then we choose mediainministry.org. So that domain name you purchase, that's what you're going to add here. So you start www.mediainministry.org. Whatever be the domain name you purchase, that's what you're going to add here. So this is just an example, okay? After adding it, you save. Now, after adding it, you save, you'll see this display information. You see what this display information. Now, what you are going to take note here is number one, your C names. Now, if you read this thing carefully, you see, we have not been able to verify your authority to this domain. On your domain register website, locate your domain name system. which is a DNS I talked about. I said we'll be using advanced DNS setting. Remember, so they are giving you instruction from here now. They ask you to locate your domain name system in bracket DNS setting and enter the following two CNAMEs. So you will copy this from the www. You copy this. I'm highlighting this now. You copy all this. You click on copy. Right? You put it on your notepad. Are you still with me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. So let's go back. I've copied that information. Save it on my notepad. We'll be needing this. Remember the instruction, they ask you to go to your domain register, then you locate domain name system, bracket DNS setting. So remember we used Namecheap, right? So let's go back to Namecheap. Let's create a new tab for this. So we're going to Namecheap here. Namecheap. From the instruction, they say locate your advanced name setting or advanced name system. So let's log in. I'll log in. So I'll get my security code. Let's wait for my verification code. This is an optional setting. But as I said earlier, it's optional, okay? I'm still waiting for the code. Okay, the code is here. Time is really against us right now. I just hope we'll continue the next class. We've spent 2 hours. And if the class continue like this, we're going to lose so many people. So what do you think we do? I want to get your comments on this, please. What should we do? Should we continue or we'll continue next time, please? Let me know what you think.
When is the next class, sir?
And Dixon, can you hear me, Dixon?
Start.
Yes. So what I'm proposing is that we have 2 class. We have 2 class in a week.
Okay.
So that's what I'm proposing. Yeah, I don't know if anybody have any other thing to say, because this once in a week class is taking a very long time before we have another class. So I would want to get your feedback. Oh, okay, Dixon, I want you to just round up the class before we do the other necessary talk, please.
Okay, should we continue?
No, we can't continue. The time is already far
Okay,
gone.
let
We
me
can't
try and wrap.
continue.
So the next
Yeah,
class
just
we are going to
wrap up the class.
obtain our DNS setting. In this way, you're able to link your domain, your blogger's host to your domain name. Okay, this way you make your website look professional and you'll be able to use any domain name